Eastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Shit.
I've talked about the joy of planting flowers in fields and seeing them come back every year. I talked about
Locations impacted include Akron, Kenton, Massillon, Barberton, Greene, Wadsworth, North Kenton, Orville, Richmond, Doylestown, Hartville, New Franklin, Norton, Canal Fulton, Seville, Clinton, Marshallville, Myers-Lee, Hills and Dales, and Greentown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Medina, Stark, Summit, and Wayne.